Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the most common questions about frankincense essential oil, like what is frankincense essential oil good for? Or can you apply frankincense essential oil directly to the skin? Or how to use frankincense every day in your life? And finally, if you can take frankincense essential oil internally. Known as the king of essential oils, frankincense has a variety of notable uses and benefits. This powerful essential oil is revered for its ability to beautify and rejuvenate the skin when applied topically and to promote cellular health and immunity and produce a healthy inflammatory response when taken internally, among other benefits. One Boswellia sacra tree can produce a couple of pounds of resin each year. If Boswellia sacra trees are properly cared for, the tree can produce resin for hundreds of years. Boswellia sacra is characterized by its thin and peeling bark, tangled branches, and clustered leaves at the end of the branches. The trunk of these trees often have more than one stem. However, some only have one trunk. These trees can grow up to 8 meters and are commonly found growing in rocky slopes in the southern and coastal mountains. Boswellia sacra is native to Ethiopia, northern Somalia, southwestern Oman, and southern Yemen. The resin of this tree is a sap-like substance with a high viscosity. For centuries, the resin of this tree has been obtained by slashing or making an incision into the tree, which then emits large amounts of resin. After the resin secretes from the tree, it is then scraped off or collected as it drops to the ground. When doTERRA obtains the resin from the trees are carefully scored or bled. There, the resin is delicately distilled and essential oils are extracted. With all of its many uses, there's no question as why frankincense is highly esteemed by ancient civilizations and used for some of the most sacred of practices. For some religions, frankincense is correlated with one of the most prized possessions of ancient biblical times, as it was considered valuable enough to be given as a gift to the Christ after his birth. Frankincense was also used during religious ceremonies for salves for soothing skin and perfume. The perfume or aroma that frankincense emits promotes feelings of satisfaction, peace, relaxation, and overall wellness, which explains its unique value in ancient times. Just as in its treasured past, frankincense oil is highly valued in doTERRA community and continues to be one of the most popular essential oils. Add frankincense's incredible aroma to any room of your house by making this DIY room spray with frankincense oil. Start by getting an empty glass spray bottle, putting in 15 drops of frankincense, 15 drops of grapefruit, 30 drops of Douglas fir. Then top the rest of it off with water. And now you have the most amazing room spray. Just spritz the spray on the carpet, furniture, or in the air of any room you desire. When you're using this homemade spray, you will be able to bask in the rich fragrance of doTERRA's frankincense essential oil and experience its relaxing, peaceful benefits. So here are a few other ways to use frankincense in your life. Frankincense is the perfect way to start out your day. Whether you're a yoga enthusiast or a morning meditator, diffusing frankincense oil during these experiences will aid you in focusing your intention for the day. The fragrances of frankincense essential oil will also help bring added satisfaction, peace, relaxation, and even feelings of overall wellness to your morning routine. With its strong aromatic properties, frankincense oil is essential in giving positive and focused lift to the rest of your day. One of frankincense's most powerful benefits is its ability to promote health, specifically cellular function. Try taking frankincense oil internally by adding 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule. This natural supplement will help support healthy cellular function. In fact, doTERRA has found frankincense to be so very beneficial in supporting cellular function that doTERRA uses it in their highest selling supplements, the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. Try this DIY supplement and experience the cellular benefits you may be in need of. Are your hands experiencing dryness from this winter air? Do you want to improve the look of your scaly hands? Frankincense can help. Whenever your hands are feeling or looking unmoisturized or marred by the harsh weather, simply add a couple drops of frankincense oil to the moisturizer of your choice to help hydrate and rejuvenate the skin. The scent of frankincense essential oil combined with your moisturizer will add a warm, spicy, and clean scent to your skin. You'll want to take this lotion with you wherever you go. When using frankincense essential oil to revive the look and feel of your hands, don't forget your fingernails. Whenever traveling somewhere dry, apply frankincense oil to maintain healthy looking fingernails. Simply place a drop of oil on your nail and rub it around the cuticles and edges of your fingernails. This will leave your nails looking healthy and strong in even the driest locations. Feeling stressed? It just so happens that frankincense essential oil has a solution for that. The chemical components of frankincense result in an extremely powerful aroma that can help dispel negative feelings like stress. If you're feeling the pressures of life and they're weighing you down and bringing your mood down, apply frankincense to the bottom of your feet. The soothing sensation and aroma will promote feelings of relaxation and a balanced mood. There is so much fun to be had in the outdoors, from running around in the grass and biking on a dirt path to planting some seasonal flowers. Your hands and feet are constantly active, helping you make the best out of your outdoor adventures. But at the end of the day, feet and hands can get really tired from all of that activity. Treat your hands and your feet with a frankincense essential oil massage that will have them feeling and looking rejuvenated for another active day outside. Add a couple of drops of frankincense to your feet and your hands and massage the oil into your skin. This massage will give you a soothing and warming effect that your hands and your feet won't want to miss out on. Frankincense oil blends well with citrus oils like lime and lemon and wild orange, and other oils such as cypress, lavender, geranium, rose, sandalwood, ylang-ylang, and clary sage for diffusion. There are 3 ways essential oils are best used. Diffusing is the fastest way to get the oils into the brain. Use 3 to 4 drops in a diffuser of your choice. The second way is to use it internally. Simply dilute 1 drop in 4 ounces of liquid. Lastly, topically is the most common way. Apply 1 to 2 drops to the desired area. Dilute with fractionated coconut oil to minimize any skin sensitivity. Finally, let me warn you about possible skin sensitivity. Keep out of reach of children, and if you are pregnant, nursing, or under a doctor's care, please consult your physician first. Avoid contact with eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas. If you're ready to get some amazing frankincense essential oil, simply visit mandysummers.com/frankincense or email me at trydoterratoday@gmail.com, and that's TRI. Start to discover how great it is to use frankincense essential oil daily. If you enjoyed learning about frankincense essential oil and know of someone who could use this video, please share it with them. Let me know in the comments below how you're using frankincense essential oil. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, my other videos will be to the side if you want to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe below.